What's good, YouTube? Hope all is well with you. DeValiant Scents coming at you with another fragrance review, another mini series, if you will. I know you love them because that's all I'm giving to you most of the time. But anyway, shout out to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you for being subscribed. And to those who are not subscribed and you're still watching, I appreciate your viewership as well. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't do that without you. So again, your support is greatly appreciated. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, respectfully, share comments and all that good stuff as we continue to grow. All in good nature for the love of fragrance. And we're kicking off this mini series. Of course, we're going to the house, if you've seen the title, the house of Penhaligons. I was able to acquire this sample set, and very nice people from where I acquired it from. And I am just thrilled because I have always smelled these fragrances on paper, but now having a sample set, I really get to try these on skin for the first time. I was only able to try them on paper in the store, but get to try them on skin for the first time here. And so I already, again, have an idea of what they smell like, but skin is always going to be different from paper. So definitely eager to get into that. And the three that we have are Halfeti, Halfeti Cedar, and Halfeti Leather. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start from the beginning, the original, and work our way on down. So we're going to pull out Halfeti, and they're all in this sample set. It's hard to keep this box together because they're all individually packaged with the right there with the design on the paper that they're individually wrapped in. So like that. I'll put the other two to the side as well as the box. And here you go. A miniature version of the full bottle. Focus. Focus. Halfeti. Now bear with me here. As you can see, this is not spray, miniature spray bottle. So I have something for that where I've got to get it in a spray bottle. So I'm gonna give you a little ASMR, if you will. But we're gonna go ahead and go with that. I've got some decant, I don't know what you call these, decant holders, decant spray bottles where you put the in the, 1 + 1 = 3. Anyway, so let's get that going. Right there, so I'm gonna pull this off. Oh, I can smell it on my fingers. All right, so we definitely want to get the little funnel here. Be very careful. I've forgotten how big these things were, so I don't think we're going to be able to empty the whole thing. But we'll get it in there. All right, there we go. Come on. Oh. Got a paper towel down below, so in case it spills on the floor, we're good to go. All right, there we go. Right. Feel free to skip ahead if you want to while I'm getting this ready. but going to make sure that I get this all tidied up. So then get this on here. Bing, bang. Oh, that fills it up. All right. And of course, the travel. There you go. All right, so let me pull up the notes here. So far for Halfeti, we got the main accords: woody, warm, spicy, aromatic, fresh, spicy, leather, oud, powdery, amber, rose, and vanilla. For the note breakdown, top notes: cypress leaf, saffron, cardamom, artemisia, bergamot, and grapefruit. Middle notes are Bulgarian rose, nutmeg, and jasmine. Base notes are oud, cedar, leather, sandalwood, amber, tonka bean, vanilla, and musk. All right. So again, travel. Take this with you. We're gonna go ahead and get it on the skin. And I suspect all three of these are gonna be good for the winter time. And I am getting a resemblance of what I did smell on paper, but first impressions, spicy. Definitely smell the cardamom. I love cardamom, especially on the top notes. I love cardamom. I'm getting cypress a little bit. I'm not getting saffron. I'm not getting artemisia. Not getting bergamot or grapefruit. But so far so good in terms of what I smell. I enjoy this on skin. Definitely going out in cold weather. This will definitely work. So I'll be eager to try out this on a full night or a full day of wearing, depending on how cold it is during the day. So you can see it's still there, and it's going to be a minute before that dries. So some high quality, potent stuff. Just from what I'm getting off my skin right now, this would be full bottle worthy for me. Going out, any type of occasion, dressed up, dressed down. I'd say you could go dressed down. I wouldn't wear it to food events, like events that, there's a lot of food and things of that nature. But any other type of event, and you're wearing a sweater, sweater vest, anything like that, or all the way dressed up, this will definitely work. Definitely work. Short review in terms of the actual fragrance itself, but that's been my review of Halfeti from the House of Penhaligons. Be careful, be aware that these are upwards of the cheapest I saw was $250 for a full 100 ml bottle. So they're going to go $250 and up. So definitely don't break the bank. Do what you can afford to do. But again, I was able to, just by a nice conversation and being pleasant and being nice to people, was able to acquire this sample pack. And so you can do the same if you're just trying to try things out first before committing to a full bottle. I highly recommend that. I always recommend that. So once again, this is my review of, short review, first impressions, if you will, of Halfeti from the House of Penhaligons. Appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.